Doing today, Eric?
We're installing frog lights onto a 2019 Cruze.
Eric found the kit on eBay, which we've been looking for ever since I bought it, and it just became available. So, and it probably will not be available forever. We get the small washer bottle, which makes room for the fog light back here, because this one too big. And it comes with both of the housings, both fog lights, some screws, that wire, that harness. We don't know where any of this goes yet. And it comes with two buttons. It comes with the tan beige colored-ish one and the black one. Obviously, I'll use the black one because that's what's for my car. Eric already got the...
So an FYI, this is easy. There's just one clip here on the right, and you just literally yank up.
And that's where our washer bottle is, where this is gonna go. So, the bumper has to come off to do this. Cruze friends. I wonder what happens when they drive by and they just see two Chevy Cruzes here. We're doing this at my house because more room, and it's kind of nice. We get both cars here.
So these are 7mm. Wonderful.
The bumper comes off as a whole, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, we're also gonna be deleting this thing.
It removes these covers. All I did is reach up behind there and grab, or just push down each tab while pulling out.
Wow, look, fog light hole.
Yeah. This is our wiper reservoir.
So I'm trying to find a wrench that'll fit this. And so far I grabbed all too big. So I have to go get the right one. Alright, I think all the stuff is off. Basically, there's a few screws along this.
They're all 7s.
They're all 7mm.
Everything's like a... what size? T25 or T10?
Yeah, so this is probably going to come off now. Yeah, it is. Okay. Easy.
Alright, so I've completed the passenger side. That's how it's gonna look. Now, how this goes in is we remove this.
Why would you take my satisfying peel away from me?
Because I can. Then all you need to do is line up these two screw holes. So on the 2019s, they actually have screws that hold them in. On the pre-facelift, there's not. They just literally clip in. So between the pre-facelift and the facelift, it's going to be basically identical, other than this has two screws. But let's clip this in. And these are T25s. Alright, so I got that screwed in. Then this just literally clips in. These only just clip in and clip
Here,
out.
let's flip this so that it's straight so you can actually see it.
You can see where this clips in. It just lines up and just goes. Just lines up and goes clip. And that's it. So now we've got fog lights.
Just like that.
Now let's remove the washer reservoir.
Yep.
These are 10mm.
And conveniently, mine's already empty. And has been since I bought it. there's
literally just 4 bolts holding it.
Yep. We've got this one to go in it.
Does that have a motor?
No.
Let's figure out how to do the wiring. So from the looks of it, I don't know what this is for.
I do not know what that is for either.
The service manual I have does not show any of this information, so...
Yeah. So, y'all's guess is as good as ours. Most people don't have access to the actual harness. But you can see here, it uses these to clip in. Alright, so we discovered that we were a little stupid and that these, in fact, can move. So we've lined up a few of them and gotten a few of them on. So harnesses, it's good. So we've done a couple things since the last time I started recording, because the GM photos for this are incredibly awful. So what you're gonna do is, if you have an LT or above, the only wiring you have to do is take your fuse box off, undo those, remove all the clips, take the fuse box off, find this connector on the right here, and then...
So these are 10s, there's a bunch of clips around here.
Yeah.
So just pop
it goes to there.
Pin 5, which I think you just put it in and it clips in. I think it only goes in one way.
No, it doesn't. I'm pretty sure there's a release. Yeah, there's a release on this side. It's this purple thing. Take your...
It's neat.
No. I'm pretty sure it's the other side. There you go.
What do you mean?
Wow, look at that.
Whoa.
So be careful that you don't let all of the other ones ejecto.
Okay.
And then that goes in there.
Which way?
Whichever way is easiest.
Probably like that. And then insert that back. Wow.
Now we've pinned this. It's now wired for fog light.
Oh.
Now we reassemble this, which I'm not going to show taking apart or reassembly because it was awful.
Yeah.
Ta-da! So our pin is right there. That goes to our fog lights. Before we put this back on, we're also going to run the ground wire, which is part of the harness.
Yep.
That right there. And you just go to any of the grounds that are on the chassis.
Any of like the 16 grounds down there.
We're now in the process of just deleting the trim. Oh, out. Out it goes.
Plugs. What are we missing here? They're the exact same. Yeah. They're the exact same pin.
Okay, so as expected, the pins are identical.
Okay, so there is all the wires here. So
yeah. So LS will not have those, and if that's the case, that's where this wire comes in. If you have an L or an LS, you have to run the pin for the button because it won't have it. I don't know where this goes, and I'm not going to figure out where it goes. So Eric got this all reassembled. It all, looks nice. We've got a button here now for the fog lights, and we've put the fuse box back on.
yeah, now we just need to put this back together, and he needs to go get it programmed.
Well, we just got it back together and started the car, and Eric noticed when you push the button down here, the light comes on the dash right there. You can see it. So once we get it programmed, it should trigger the relay for the actual fog lights. Well, I am here at Mac Mulkin Chevrolet to get the fog lights programmed in, which will complete the install video. So they won't let me video inside of the service bay, but I'm gonna get a short clip of them driving it in, and that'll do. Well, as you can see, both fog lights are working. Just got the programming done. It totaled $139 because they charged an hour of labor, and you know, it is what it is. But I wish Tech 2 is still a thing, but they've eliminated it in favor of other options. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope the video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.